Hi everybody, this morning I just received this parcel from PCBWay. It is for the PCBs for my cat feeder project. So PCBWay is the sponsor of this video and I would like to thank them for producing such beautiful PCBs. As usual, the quality is perfect, black screen, very fine traces, very sharp dimensions. Everything is okay. I have already soldered one of these PCB, so here is the result. As you can see, the PCB can accommodate on one side the AE Thinker ESP32 CAM module, which is both an ESP32 and a camera module. And on the other side, I have soldered a series of connectors to here power the board with an USB charger, or here the same thing on these two pins, but also the sensor that will be used to drive my cat feeder. This project is open source, open hardware. You can find everything on printable.com, and the PCB of course can be ordered on the PCBWay side on the shared project. The link and the links of all this are provided into the description of this video. So this cat feeder is here. So basically it's you have a plate. Under this cover you will see that there is a worm screw here, and this is an hopper into which you can feed, you can put the kibbles here. A huge quantity of kibbles, something that is able to leave my cat alone during 1 month almost. And inside, well, it's not easy to see. There is a hole feeding the hopper. To rotate the hopper, we use, which is barely visible here. I will do this. We use, it's here, we use a 36-degree servo motor, a big one, with a torque of 10 kilo-centimeter, which is rotating this gear here, and the gear is rotating the hopper inside the PVC pipes there, and the cables go down in the plate here. What is important in this system is that you can of course remove the plate, access to the system, and you can see that there is here a load cell. So the load cell is weighing the plate. So you can see when the cat is eating that something is changing. So you can have an event. My cat is eating. You can see that the plate is full or empty. So you can send notification to your smartphone saying that the cat is eating, the plate is empty, the plate is full, or there is a jam into the system. To start the system, what we use is the peer sensor. So it's here. I have removed the white radome, which is usually on these sensors, and the sensor can go here and detect that something is crossing the beam. When this occurs, there is an interrupt which is generated here on the middle pin, and this interrupt will trigger boot the ESP32 here. So the system is booting, then we can detect everything on the plate, we can feed the cat, but we can also send a notification to the user in order to allow the camera to send the live stream of the cat eating. So we have a system which is fully automatic, Wi-Fi enabled, which is synchronized on the real-time NTP time, which can feed the cat twice a day with the exact weight of ration that you want to put into the plate, and which can detect that the cat is eating, send notification to you, and work in a fully automatic way. The system is fully 3D printed, except the walls, which are made in plywood. The front one is here. So we have the hole for the camera. We have a hole there for the peer sensor that I have put here in the published 3D printed parts because it's better there. And we have this little logo here which are glued on the wood. So it is very easy to build. Here is a slot that is cut out into the plywood for the carbon rod which is here, to be free to move without touching the wooden side. The hopper is screwed into the plywood, 5mm screws, standard one. You have corners also to accommodate the walls. See here, sorry. Here are the corners. The same thing in the bottom, which are touching the floor, but the wood is not touching the floor. There is a protection. Sorry, there is a protection here. And you have here also a piece of wood which is holding the load cell here. This system doesn't cost a lot. Well, it is less than 40 euro, 35 I have in mind. And what you see here is a system that has been working during 8 years. So the plate is a little brownish. This is due to the sun. On this side is very pale, this side is darker. This is the sun. So trust me, this system is reliable. It has been working during 8 years till my Shisha cat died last year. So now I am waiting for a new cat to put this again into operations. As I said, everything is on Printable, on Hackaday, on PCBWay. The source code is available on my GitHub pages. It's using Arduino IDE and Arduino language to be programmed. The code is quite easy to understand. And you can see the video of the system running with my old cat into the description of this video. You have the link. So goodbye. Don't hesitate to like this project on Printable and to build it if you want a reliable, cheap and smart cat feeder. Bye bye.